Hi, I'm JettyRobot, master of pipe inspection, cleaning and maintenance. In a pipe, I can use dry ice, high-pressure water, or any other technology. I was born in Prague in cooperation with students and professors of the Czech Technical University, and I left my garage back in 2009. I'm patented in the United States and in Europe. I can pass through a sharp bend or vertical duct. My patented drive system makes me reliable and fast, so I can save you time and money. That's why my customers love me. I work at home in the Czech Republic, but also in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Norway, the United States, and Singapore. JettyRobot, your duct and pipe insider.